the story of Filipino scientists who were trained and who worked abroad and who are now helping us in various ways through the Balik Scientist program. A good example would be the couple Dr. Doralyn Dalisay and Dr. Jonel Saludes. While they started as short-term Balik scientists, they decided to settle here for good. At present, they are working on the study of microorganisms in marine sediments extracted from the bottom of the sea, which can be possible sources of antibiotics. And during the COVID-19 pandemic, they were also a big help in assessing the laboratory capability of Western Visayas Medical Center and in preparing it for DOH certification of their biosafety levels, which are required in the operation of COVID-19 testing centers. There are also other examples of Balik scientists working in the different regions in the country to help.
My name is Jonel Saludes, and I earned my PhD in organic chemistry from the University of California. I repatriated from the US as a DOST and a PCHRD long-term Balik scientist assigned at University of San Agustin since September 2015. During my term as a Balik scientist at University of San Agustin, I established the research and development roadmap of the university that we call as Global Initiatives 2020 or GI 2020. That became the template in pursuing the most dynamic natural drug discovery and public health research program in the countryside. Through GI 2020, I spearheaded the creation of 3 globally competitive research centers that are all headed by DOST Balik scientists. These research centers are the Center for Chemical Biology and Biotechnology, or C2B2, that is headed by Dr. Doralyn Dalisay, the Center for Informatics, or CFI, headed by Dr. Romulo Di Castro as director, and the Center for Natural Drug Discovery and Development, that we also call as CND3, headed by yours truly. CND3 is also the home of DOST's Tuklas Lunas Center in Region 6.
My name is Doralyn Dalisay, a DOST Balik scientist and the director of the University of San Agustin Center for Chemical Biology and Biotechnology. As a true manifestation of malasakit to help heal the people, the combined efforts of the Balik scientist-led research centers at University of San Agustin have made invaluable contributions in the discovery of potential antibiotics to fight secondary infections due to COVID-19. Just recently, we published the discovery of a class of antibiotics as potential leads for treatment of infections. We also provided competency training to medical technologists that are now the frontliners for the RT-PCR testing in hospitals such as West Visayas State University Hospital, the Medical City, and Qualimed in Iloilo City, as well as Corazon Locsin Montelibano Regional Hospital in Bacolod City. Further, University of San Agustin's Center for Informatics has monitored the COVID-19 scenario in Western Visayas and made available to the public epidemiological models that were submitted to local government units to guide them for planning and action against the COVID-19 pandemic.
DOST will continue to create positive impact for our people, our communities, our processes for shaping our dreams and aspirations. Here at DOST, science cares, makes a way, and science upholds lives. This is indeed what Science for the People is all about.